Didn't get this thing working just right. So I watched the video and then I showed him the video. And the video was, let's see if I can show it to you. That rod right there, where it's in the back now, will show them where it was coming out here to the front. It was coming out here to the front, and that's backwards. And it come from the factory installed like that. Yep. We watched the video, and the guy told us that. We fixing to find out whether that works or not. But we put a new carburetor on it, and it was still doing the exact same thing. I watched that video. Now, it could be they said it could be the coil pack, could be the fuel pump, could be a stopped up carburetor. We put a brand new carburetor on it and still doing the same thing. They recommended changing that. So we're out here changing that today. See if it works. If that works, it was installed from the factory wrong. Onan needs to do a little bit better quality control if that's the problem. It seems to be running good. Only trouble is starting and stopping when it was hot. And if what we done to it right then fixes it, it come from the factory that away. Now an Onan generator come from the factory, hooked up wrong. All right, let's kill it and see if it'll restart. Crank right back up. Crank right back up. We'll run it a little bit. I'm gonna turn the AC on. Make it be under load, get it hot.